My name is Tom Morris. I work for the Morgan Motor Company as a design engineer. Morgan was founded by HFS Morgan in 1909, and we currently today employ around 200 people and manufacture around 1,000 vehicles per year. Since the introduction of 3D printing using the Stratasys Fortus 250MC, Morgan have been able to try more daring designs within research and development. It's given us the opportunity to take these designs, trial them early on, giving us physical samples, which essentially cuts out the whole quoting process, the liaising with suppliers, delivering these parts back to Morgan. Morgan are a low volume vehicle manufacturer, so the ability to be able to design parts on CAD, 3D print them and take them to the shop floor at a very quick rate is vital to our success as a business. The Aero GT is a good example of this. The Aero GT has a hard top which we needed to fit a scoop on the top of. Now we needed a very quick solution to which we could take the CAD data and then turn that into a production part which we could sell to the customers. So we opted to go for 3D print, as this could be printed in-house. It could go to the paint shop to be prepped and painted and then fitted to the cars so we could deliver it to the customers as quick as possible. We selected Tritech 3D because they experienced a broad range of knowledge in the manufacturing sector, and they really helped Morgan understand where we could use these 3D printing applications in our business. Tritech really supported us from the get-go. The initial shop floor walk around we did really gave us knowledge on what could be 3D printed, what couldn't be, and it gives you a good insight in what is actually possible by using a 3D printer, specifically for Morgan, the Fortus 250. Our experience with Tritech 3D has been really good from the off. From the initial planning to the installation and then the ongoing support has been fantastic. We have real confidence in the fact that we can pick up the phone to call our rep and he's there to give us any support, any on-site guidance we need and any general help in getting our 3D printing out and onto the shop floor. Since introducing 3D printing to Morgan and the factory floor, the team have reacted really well. I think this is partially because the part will look exactly as it should. It has the same mannerisms as any normal part would do, and we can fit it to the vehicles with ease and with no hidden surprises. So looking into the future, understanding the range of different materials available to us, such as nylon 12CF, Morgan could really start to benefit from this and grow the range of applications we can use with this printer.